Welcome back to my channel. So today, tiba masanya untuk kita unboxing kotak yang seterusnya. So kita ada 2 kotak lagi. And as usual, we save the best for the last. So you need to come back to my video to see this unboxing. So today, kita akan unboxing yang ni dulu. Alright, so let's go. Jom kita tengok apa dalam kotak ini. So last time you tengok I unboxing yang ni kan, Hacipupu yang ni. So today kita akan buka yang ni pula. So guys, are you ready to see what inside the box? 1, 2, 3. Tada! Wow. Ada satu lagi Hacipupu Snuggle with you. Sebab as I said in the previous video, I want the standing up version because this is my first I dapat yang merangkap. So this is my second I dapat reindeer. So jom kita tengok dalam ni kita dapat yang mana. Okay, and this is the option. So I dah dapat yang ni dan yang ni. So let's do unboxing. Okay, I'm going to close my eyes. So this is the door and ada kad kat dalam tu. So this is the packaging. Let's open them up. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! And are you ready guys to see what inside this? 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Which one do I get? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, this is so cute. And this one is standing up. The one that I wanted. And this one is half cape. So cute. So, I dapat yang this one. I guess I dapat yang ni. So this is him. Jom kita tengok card dia. And this is the card. In the back, I dapat yang charming fox. So cute guys. This is so cute. I love it. I love it so much. So I dapat ada 2 dah yang standing up. This one and this one. Oh, this one comes with accessories. This is the accessories. This is rose. Oh, so cute. So just put it right here. Okay, yay! So this is him with rose. Cute. So guys, inilah 3 koleksi I setakat ni Hacipupu. Maybe I'm getting 1 or 2 more yang standing up sebab dia ada 4 yang standing up kat koleksi I. So that's it for today. Bye.